In this video, I will show you how to create an ad account in Meta Business Suite. So to do this, what you want to go and do is open up your Meta Business Suite account, and from here click Settings in the bottom left. Now here under Accounts, you want to click on Add Accounts. Now here you should see all of your ad accounts. Then if you want to have more, what you can simply do is click on Add in the top right. Now currently I have the maximum amount, but what I can do is request to share an ad account, so don't move the ad account. So if you don't have the maximum amount, which you probably won't have, then you can just create a new one or claim an existing account. But if you have an agency, for example, who needs access to their client's ad account, then you can simply pick this one. And then here you need to enter the ad account ID, then select rules, and then you are done. So you can also request access through this method. So now you know how to create an ad account in Meta Business Suite. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.